Not alone. Sir.
First time we wanted to meet you.
Yes.
KG Vivek's
जो बात थी न अब तक जो बात
You've invited me a few times in the past, but unfortunately I couldn't make it. But this time, after the pandemic, it was high time for all of us to actually come out and start, looking at more and more events happening in our lovely city of Hyderabad. As you so rightly pointed out, I think a city is not just about its structures, its steel and glass structures, but a city's soul really. I mean, you can create a city, you can definitely build a city with a lot of lovely, steel and glass structures, but city's soul really lies in its arts, culture and heritage, the social infrastructure as we call it. In fact, Hyderabad, I keep telling my friends, is one of those rare cities in India which has this ability, unique ability to combine the best of the old world and the new world as we see it. The old world charm of art, heritage, culture and everything that goes with it. This, the tehzeeb that you talk about, and also the new age vibe that you get to see in certain parts of the city. What you've done truly here is not just a tribute to your father, Father Ali Beg Sahab, but also a fantastic value add to the social infrastructure to our city, to our lovely city of Hyderabad. And as you also rightly pointed out, I think what's equally important is not just to ape the West, in terms of what they do, but what's absolutely brilliant is to find our own heroes, our own stories, and our own way of telling our stories, our own way of narrating those stories. And my compliments to you and the entire foundation. We are happy, the government is happy to be a part of this lovely revival story that you've started. What's brilliant is how well you've utilized this venue that we've been able to resurrect. My compliments to Arvind and the entire team, my team of municipal administration, because I think the Mozam Zahi market that I have seen, हम लोग यहीं पे, मैं जब बचपन में था, मैं जब यहाँ पे इनॉग्रेशन भी हमने किया था तो मैंने बताया था, यहाँ से शायद 50 या 60 मीटर की दूरी में हम लोग रहते थे. मैं बचपन मेरी कुछ साल यहाँ पे गुजरी, तो मुझे याद है कि यहाँ मतलब मार्केट किस हाल में थी. तो जब मुझे मौका मिला, हमें मौका मिला एज म्यूनिसिपल मिनिस्टर, तो जब हम एक बार आए पहली बार यहाँ पे, तो बहुत ख़राब लगा कि इतनी अच्छी मॉन्यूमेंट और उतनी बदतर हालत में थी. तो हमने कोशिश की है और अच्छा लगता है कि ना सिर्फ आज एक मार्केट के नाम पे मतलब रिवाइवल में एक ब्यूटीफुल इमारत को रिवाइव करने का मौका मिला, बल्कि एक अच्छा वेन्यू भी आपको देने का मौका हमें मिला. बहुत खुशी है और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि once we are out of this pandemic, you'll not only be able to tell great stories, we'll be able to bring more and more artists from all over the world. Our support, our entire team support will be with you and your foundation. My compliments to you, to the entire Father Ali Beg Foundation, to Chairman Sahiba, to everybody else. Thank you very much once again for giving me this wonderful opportunity. We will be with you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for joining us this evening, KTR Garu. Now, to the opening play of Father Ali Beg Theatre Festival 2021.